In this video, we will provide you with instructions to help you remove pop-up windows that are related to the site Hotbhaneju.today. This site, Hotbhaneju.today, is a dangerous site targeting Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on Allow button. But if you click on the Allow button, your browser will be hijacked with plenty of disgusting advertisements that may keep popping up in the right part of your screen. To remove these ads, you need to access the menu, then go down to Settings. In the left part of the Settings window, you need to select Privacy and Security, so Settings. Then in the left area, choose Privacy and Security. Then finally, when you click on Privacy and Security, you need to find Site Settings, and then in Permissions you need to choose Notifications. So here we are, Privacy and Security. Go down until you find Site Settings, click on it, and then in Permissions you need to click on Notifications. You need to carefully research all the websites that are allowed to send notifications, and if you find any junk sites over here in the notifications area, all of these junk sites should be carefully one by one deleted from the list. So if you see anything unfamiliar here, make sure you delete any junk sites from the list. So click on these three vertical dots and remove them. Finally, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. For this purpose, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and start researching the device. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.